New Year's first sunrise, winter, spring, summer, and fall, and the cycle starts again. In the chill of the winter, there is a togetherness that forms over hot mochi in the new year, gathering under the kotatsu and watching the snowfall outside. Sweet strawberries, a vibrant treat to ward off the chill. As the weather warms, the cherry blossoms unfurl just as my students graduate and I send them off into the world in a flurry of joy and sadness. The world comes alive with the color I had nearly forgotten. Flowers bloom in every corner of Japan. Summer brings with it a thick humidity and the hum of cicadas, the world breathing life back into itself. Insects dance around you, crabs scurry underneath your feet, and beaches are tucked into every corner of Japan. Autumn is the breath of fresh air after the unrelenting heat. The leaves crunched underfoot remind us again of the cycle of the seasons, changing before we're ready, hoping to hold on to that last bit of warmth before it's gone. The rice is harvested, and the culmination of your year reaps its rewards. Roasted sweet potatoes remind us of home and warm us for the cold to come. I'm no stranger to the cycle of seasons. I've had my fair share of harsh winters and desert summers, but there's a different feeling of the seasons in Japan. The changing of seasons brings people together. They bring joy and laughter and the closeness of a community. I've been lucky to be able to travel across Japan in my time on the JET program. From the far reaches of northern Hokkaido to the sunny seas of Okinawa, each part of Japan holds a special beauty that you can't encounter elsewhere. I'm so grateful to have experienced much of what Japan has to offer, and I look forward to exploring more in my time here in Japan. To anyone watching this video, I hope you can come to Japan and experience the beauties of nature for yourself.